What's up, guys? Shamil here, new OEM Glass, working on a Porsche Boxster 2011 Porsche Boxster. Got the OEM Glass 2660. 2660 comes with 4 plugs. It's with the cell phone antenna and regular antenna. So there's a line in here, a line over there, line over here, line over there. Does not have a rain sensor. Came here earlier with the part number 2626, also OEM. I thought it only has one antenna, and it turned out to be wrong part, so we came back with this one. Few things with this car: since you gotta plug in on the side, you gotta take the side moldings off. To take the side moldings off, you have to take the visor off. Screws here, screw over there. You got 2 screws right here. You got clips in there, and then you plug in the unplug the wires. I would recommend taking all this stuff off after you take the glass out, because those plugs there, doesn't matter if they rip because you're not saving them. Same thing on the other side. See, you gotta take the visor off. And then before all that, take the cowl off. This was replaced, and I don't think they took the cowl off. I primed this already, so it's all primed. Yeah, this was replaced, so I think they tried to stuff it. Looks a little, I'm not sure, you tell me, guys. You think this was stuffed or wasn't it stuffed? Because it's a little messy over there. So to take the cowl off, well, I use an equalizer to take the glass out. I love this tool, Equalizer RAPTOR. So to take the cowl off, you gotta take these clips off. There is a line, the air line, I believe this is. No, that's the windshield washer line. You gotta take that off. And then on this side, there's this plate that covers the filter. 2 screws here, so you just lift this up. And there's plugs. There's a plug right there. But you gotta take off the plug. Alright. And you got screws on the side, which is on this side. Screw right there. There's a cap here, you take it off. Screw right there. And that's it. Just be careful. Other than that, it's nothing complicated. And that's it. There's no more things, I guess, to look for. So don't forget, you got to take those off, side moldings for plugs. Watch out for those plugs over there. And that's it. It's a 2011 Porsche Boxster. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.